Hello everyone, good to see you. Welcome back to Eric's Gibberish. In this video, we are going to take a look at a collection of vital assistants and accessories that you may require at your electronics design and development workstation. This video is a part of a series of videos that I call Essential Tools and Instruments for an Electronics Workstation. Make sure to watch all of them. The links to the videos are given in the description section below. And if you haven't subscribed the channel already, then do so without any further delay so that you get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Cable ties. So let's begin with the cable ties. These are a very useful consumable used mainly for the tying or the gripping or the securing of a number of wires or cables together. They are available in various sizes, lengths and colors and are many a times even used for alternate purposes like securing a device or a component or to tag a particular cable or part. Velcro straps. These are an alternative to cable ties and are used for the temporary or semi-permanent tying, gripping, securing or tagging of wires, cables, components, devices, etc. They too are available in various sizes, lengths, colors and designs. Heat shrink sleeves. They are used mainly for insulating open joints on wires, cables, plugs, connectors, etc. and are available in a variety of sizes and colors. The most popular one being black. Heat gun, also known as hot air gun. This tool is used for the reduction of the heat shrink sleeves as well as for other hot air requiring applications. The one I have here has a dual air temperature option and also has a built-in stand that assists a hand-free use and an easy cool down. Now it's my duty and responsibility here to warn you as a note of caution not to use this hot air gun as an hairdryer, though it pretty much looks like one, even as an experiment or in the case of an emergency. Glue gun. Useful for multiple purposes like insulating open joints, contacts, etc. vibration proofing loose parts, devices, components, etc. or as a general purpose adhesive to stick or join various stuff. But make sure that you have in stock the appropriate size glue gun sticks too. You'll need the fuel for the fire. Magnifier or magnifying glass. They are available in various types and styles, like this one with a handle and this watchmaker magnifier which has to be placed very close to the eye. These are very useful to check the finer details that are not easily readable or detectable directly by the human eye. A few examples of which would be reading component values, reading IC numbers, reading text and traces on printed circuit boards to confirm the isolation and finishing of soldered pins, etc. Pocket torch, also known as an inspection torch. Useful to brighten or light up poorly or sparsely illuminated places. Head torch, again like the pocket torch, useful to brighten or light up poorly or sparsely illuminated places. Difference being that this one can be worn on the head and hence frees up your hands. The one I have here has two different levels of illumination plus can operate as a strobe light as well. A light magnet. Assists at fetching or picking up fallen or dropped screws and other magnetically attracted parts. Can also be used to activate or energize reed switches and reed relays. Safety glasses. Useful to avoid any alien object or particle from flying into the eye when working in such environments. Make sure though that the glasses cover the eyes in all directions, top, bottom and from the sides. Assorted tapes. Tapes come in a wide range of varieties. A few of them are cello tape for general purpose use, insulation tape or electrical tape, an alternative to heat shrink sleeves for insulating open joints on wires, cables, plugs, connectors, etc. and single-sided and double-sided foam tapes. Can be used for the padding or cushioning around delicate or damage-prone components and devices. Thermal paste. Useful particularly for power electronics and is used to improve the thermal conductivity or heat transfer between a component and the heatsink it is fitted with. Nail paint. An odd candidate on this list, but quite a noteworthy beauty product for your electronics. useful in many ways, a few of them being for the sealing or locking of presets and trim pots, for the securing or vibration proofing of screws and other parts, or as an alignment marker. And finally, cabinet organizers. A very important necessity, a definite must-have. As an electronic system designer and developer, it's imperative that you organize all of your workstation essentials like components, devices, modules, PCBs, tools, instruments, accessories, etc. Cabinet organizers similar to these are available in a wide range of design styles and sizes. Make sure to utilize them freely and appropriately, labeling and identifying each one of them for the contents that they hold. Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place. I have made this entire list available for download in case you want to add it to your upcoming purchase checklist. The link to it is given in the description section below. And here's a quick question for you. Which one of these vital assistants and accessories will you add to your toolkit with immediate effect? Do leave your answers in the comment section below. Would be interesting to know. Also, let me know if there is any assistant or accessory which you feel deserved a place on this list that I may have missed out at mentioning or may have been less privileged to have in my toolkit. Alright, that's all there is for this video. Hope you found it informative and helpful. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and most importantly subscribe to get the notifications to my newest uploads. And if you have any questions or suggestions over this video, then do drop them in the comment section below. And remember, better late than never, but best never late. Thanks for watching. I'm Eric. Until my next gibberish, take care.